If you're wanting to pump up the volume and go from, let's say, hundreds of dollars a day to 1K a day, 2,500 a day, and even 5K a day with digital courses, you need this AI course funnel. I'm going to break down this 1K a day, 2,500K per day, however much you want to make. I'm going to show it to you right now. We're going to reverse engineer it. And the sad part is most people will not execute, but you definitely will. If this feels super aligned to your goals this quarter, go ahead and type in course in the comments and let's get to it. So here's exactly why I call it the AI course funnel and what exactly you're going to do with AI in the next 5 days. Keep in mind, everything is AI aided, okay? AI aided. You, the human being, are still going to be the one to be the engine behind this whole thing and make this into sales, because without you as the human being, there are no sales. So let me just break down, okay? You're going to be using AI within the next 5 days to strategize the perfect offer, aka your digital course. All right, you're going to use AI to write the headline that is going to be able to allow you to scale this thing to 1K a day, 3K per day, and beyond. Leverage AI to build out your sales pages and your course funnel, your entire thing. Use AI to build out the modules and the scripts for you to film it super quickly. And then the cherry on top is leveraging an AI agent to interact with your customers once they become buyers so that they can feel good and nurtured and have the potential to upgrade into your higher ticket offers. So there's 2 tools we're going to mention today. If you're using ChatGPT, fine, whatever AI tool of your preference, Claude, Gronk, whatever. And then we're also going to be using the marketing software in CRM, GoHighLevel, and don't worry, you can test out this software in CRM for 30 days with a free trial, so don't worry about that. Everything that I'm doing is clonable. So let me go ahead and share my computer screen so we can get to building this thing within minutes. All right, so a couple of things here. First, let's just go into ChatGPT. And this is where like prompting becomes very, very important. And it's not hard to prompt because people so much are like, oh, you got to know how to be a prompt engineer, which is true, but it's so easy to get the right prompt to have something highly converting. Just ask ChatGPT like, hey, how do I prompt this? Like, what do you need to know to make this extremely good, to make your chat an expert, okay? So this is, I mean, you can screenshot this. I don't want to read the whole thing, but this is what I prompted. And I did this like from my phone, right? I just said like, I talked into it. I put it on voice mode. I'm like, hey, create a sales page for the sales page copy for the sales page for a product, aka a course that's in the relationship niche that helps couples revive their marriage. Okay, and it came up with this. This right here, right, the whole headline and hook is the thing that's going to make you money. Okay, because if your headline and the top of your page of your sales page is trash and it's too vague, you're never going to make money. So this is actually what's going to make you money. Here is a spicy headline hook that's like, let's like this, right? Go from roommates and resentment to connected and alive without awkward therapy or rehashing the past. This is juicy. Like if my marriage was falling apart, this would catch my attention hands down. So I have all of this right here, the sales page, and I'm going to copy and paste it here in a second. But what I want to do is go into GoHighLevel. Okay, so if you have GoHighLevel, what you're going to do, of course, you already know, you're going to go to one of your sub accounts. So this is my demo account that I do everything from, and you're going to navigate to sites and of course funnels. Now, it's really easy. You just come here to new funnel and click funnel AI, continue, or you simply click build with AI. So let's let's come here to funnel AI. We're going to click continue. And then I'm just going to call this, or we haven't saved it yet, but we can save it later. Right here it says untitled page. But here's what matters. All right, so we're going to go from the name of the funnel. So this is going to be Revive Marriage Sales Page. Because the sales page is what comes first, right? Business niche, we're just going to go coaching and consulting. Goal of the funnel is to sell. Course signups is fine, or sell products. I'm going to go with course signups because that's more accurate for like, remember, this is like your $27, $37, $47 offer. Could be up to $67, but really the sweet spot is definitely realistically under $80, especially if this is your first course funnel. Okay. Now this one here, target audience, we want probably professionals. all right, this one here is going to be a, what is this? What are you offering? I'm offering a course. So a course and a training. Now we want to come here to build. And this one is going to be, you are creating a high converting sales page. Okay, so you can even upload things like media or images. If you have like a brand palette already, this is where you can upload things like that. But this is what I want to show you now is I want you to come to customize. All right, language, I want to do English US. Tone, I want it to be bold and high energy because this is kind of like, come on, let's go. Let's get your marriage saved. Okay. Then I want to come here to define layout. Now this is powerful. All right. And this, you can select your colors. You can choose colors here, create your first brand board. So you can come here and create your first whole brand board. So you can come here to put in all your colors. I won't do this right now, but for now, I'm just going to come to selecting this color palette. I'm going to pretend this is my color palette, the soft pastels, and the font. I want it to be readable. I don't want it to make like a cursive or anything. So I'm just going to do modern. That's fine. I'm going to pick digital art, layout. I'm just going to leave the layout blank. I like the default spacing and the default borders. So layout right here, I'm just going to go minimal and clean. Let's just do that. But here's where it gets pretty wild. Now the copy comes in right here that I created, or that ChatGPT created. I'm going to copy and paste all the copy. Okay, so it has everything that you could possibly want, right? The offer stack, testimonials, bonuses, all these things. And of course, you, the human being, are going to have the ultimate say on everything. You are going to come back on everything that AI is creating and have the final say. But you're going to come here and be like, hey, so here is the copy of the sales page. Boom. And then you're going to paste it. Isn't that wild? Then you're going to click generate. Okay. So while that is generating, I just want to make the announcement that if you want to walk through a 2-day intensive boot camp with me on doing all of this, right? We get your course funnel set up with AI. I walk you through all the copy and how to correctly prompt it for your niche and your online business. I walk you through literally everything, setting up the course inside, how to film the course quickly. Once you have this in, how to launch it. And if you have other courses that you've already created, I'm going to teach you also how to add upsells to this funnel, how to add order bumps so that your average order value just goes from, let's say, $37 to, let's say, $80, something like that, just by adding upsells to the back end of it, right? So if that interests you, what I want you to do is just opt into the first link in my description and get on my email list. So if you opt into where it says marissamorero.com/ecosystem. I love you, honey. Oh, I love my babies. First off, that link will prompt you to start a 30-day free trial with GoHighLevel, okay? And it'll talk about all my bonuses, like over 10 grand worth of bonuses for signing up for a paid trial for 30 days with GoHighLevel. But then I'm going to announce just within a few days of the details of my bootcamp. It's going to be insane. All right, so we are back to this. This is beautiful. Check this out. The sales page is done. Check. So this is awesome, right? So anything here you can modify. So it has like the top of page, like revive marriage, high impact couples workshop, the sessions that actually revive your marriage. Go from roommates and resentment to connected and alive. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is so perfectly laid out. Like this used to take me probably a full month to do all of this. This is so insane. Okay. So like, this is what is so crazy. So I could be like, okay, well, I want more. And look at this. This is beautiful. This recap workshop and everything that you're getting. What happens after you join? Yes, I want to revive my marriage. I love this so much. So like, let's say like right here in your marriage revival offer stack, I want to modify this, but I don't want to modify it manually. What I want to do is come to Ask AI and be like, hey, or hey, this looks so amazing, but I would like you to add, and I'm always very polite to my AIs. Like I always say, please, thank you, you're awesome. It's just how you should treat your AIs. Okay, so to this section, but I would like you to add to the section your marriage revival offer stack some mock-ups of the modules. So, oh no, not of the modules, of the bonuses. So there can be visuals, because definitely you need like mock-ups and course mock-ups for bonuses and the modules. Like that's really important. So let's see what it does. Okay. But of course, like if you want to just add more images in this column, you can of course do it manually by adding images right below here, right? Ready to revive your marriage. You can do that. Or if you go to ChatGPT, as long as you have the paid version of it, you can have it generate you images. So it can create thumbnails for the course. It can create thumbnails for the bonuses, whatever you want. Okay. So this is what it came up with. So the problem is it did it literally, and it put it like right by the bonuses. So that's fine. All you got to do really is come here and like I would delete this, right? So I would delete this. I would delete this here. And I would just honestly drag these up and create a new column over here. But look, it already came up with like beautiful mock-ups for each thing. So this is something that when you come in to build it, all you got to do is like pre-attach these, be like, hey, in the bonus section, make sure that you have all these mock-up images so that it can organize it in columns and have the spacing and framing and everything already be like good to go. Okay. So that is really awesome. So then you would come to publish it and then come back to the funnel, and then you would add a checkout page, which AI can build. And then you would add an upsell, which AI can build. So it's really, really exciting. You can get this done literally within hours. Okay, so here's what's important. Once you build out the funnel for your new course, here's what's important. You have to validate it, okay? And validating it doesn't mean you need to get 100 sales. You really just need like 2 to 3 sales, maybe 5 to understand like, hey, this is something that somebody wants. All right, whenever I launch a new digital product, I'm like, okay, I know it's going to sell. Like I know it is, but I just want to get like those first few sales in, and I'm like, okay, cool. So I always test my sales first with organic traffic, but however you want to test this, with organic, with YouTube, or with paid ads, this is the structure to do it. So these are the things that we go over on our coaching calls within the Profit Lounge, which is my high-level community, which if you can join the community like super easy, all you got to do is start a 30-day free trial of HighLevel, come into the group, and we'll mastermind on your next course funnel. So this is super exciting, right? Anything funnels, lead generation, high ticket, etc. So this, again, I want to let you know that you don't have to build out a huge complex funnel at first. Like you don't have to add 5 upsells to begin with. You don't have to have an order bump, which an order bump is actually really easy. So add that, right? Add that to begin. But you don't have to go crazy and have upsells. Just add like one thing at a time. So launch this, get a few sales, right? You can get that truly within the next 5-7 days. All right. Then you're like, okay, this is a demand. People will buy this. Now, then you stack your upsells on after that. So that's where it gets really exciting. Now, the way to AI this, once everything is in motion, is HighLevel has a suite of AI agents. So it has voice AI, it has conversion AI, but I want to hone in on voice AI because what you can do is set up an AI agent. Mine is actually called Jessica. So my AI agent, it is set up to call customers once they purchase. Why? People love having validation after they purchase a thing, knowing that they got access, they're well taken care of, and if they have any questions, they know where to go and what to do. So having somebody call is, and the voice AIs are hyper human-like, hyper realistic, okay? They sound just like you and I.
This is Jessica from Marissa Romero's Team Subscribers to Sales. How can I help you today?
Hi, I was just giving this number a call back.
Yeah, got it. Could you please share your name so I can assist you better?
Yeah, my name is Melody.
Thanks, Melody.
And you can train it and prompt it to say exactly the thing, and if they get objections, like whatever. It's so advanced. So this is what I absolutely love. It's like a whole ecosystem of AI working for you within this course funnel. Now, if you're interested in like, okay, how can I leverage the traffic, the email list, the organic audience that I have now, definitely check out the video on how to do that and get the traffic going to this funnel. Okay, you can check out this video. It's coming out right here, right now. All you got to do is click, and I will see you on this next video.